Hey guys, so today another question to take from section A of part 1 of CMA USA course. So let's start. The question is, the financial statements included in the annual report to the shareholders are least useful to which one of the following? Stockbrokers, bankers preparing to lend money, competing businesses, managers in charge of operating activities. Before trying to solve this question, let's do one thing. Let's understand a little bit of the people who are going to use our financial statements. So let's go. The users of our financial statements, which is also called as accounting information, are basically it is divided into two different users. One is internal users and the other one is external users. Internal users are those who are owners, managers and employees. These people will use the financial statements for the purpose of improvement, for the purpose of next year planning, for the purpose of how well we are this year. To understand that, the users who are internal will use it for the purpose of growth, and the others, the external users, they are investors, lenders, suppliers, customers, tax authorities and many more. Everyone, basically everyone can use the financial statements, but for them the financial statements will be limited. For that we will come later. So these are the external users. For these external users, the financial statements will be included in annual report. Means here the financial statements will be published. Do you understand? The financial statements will be published. So on this basis we will see here, when the question is something like this, we should concentrate on three words in this question. First is financial statements, okay, and the next annual report. After that, for whom it is least useful. For the first, stockbrokers, it is very much useful. They are external users and stockbrokers are also called as investors. So for them it will be useful. This is not the answer. Next, bankers who are preparing to lend money, that is lenders. They also need the financial statements from the annual report. And next, competing businesses, others, for the purpose of comparing themselves with the competing business or competing organization, so that they will understand where they are standing in the industry. And the last one, which is the right answer, that is managers who are in charge of operating activities. For them, the internal accounting information will be shared for the purpose of improvement, but the financial statements which are included in the annual report will be of no use. By this we can conclude the answer is B. Okay guys, all the best.